Well, what's going on in the
Yeah,
weather? That's the real question.
Everybody's in frenzy.
They're in a tizzy. We got the special 4-letter word getting everybody worked up. And yes, we could have a little bit of snow later this afternoon and this evening. But like we talked about earlier, timing is everything, and it's going to come at probably the worst time, where the evening commute just in time for the snow. Let's take a look outside, though, right now. Center City on our neighborhood network. It is dry. It is the calm, we can call it, I guess, before the proverbial storm. Well, not the proverbial storm. It's the proverbial calm before the storm that comes out later this afternoon. Again, neighborhood network overlooking the Franklin Institute on a gray right now, Tuesday afternoon. But the main name of the game currently is dry weather that actually, temperature-wise, isn't too bad. We're sitting in the 40s currently, so that is why much of this precipitation and the onset of this system is going to come as some light rain. But then as some cooler air gets wrapped in on the back side of it, that's when we'll start to see that changeover happen. We'll also get a little bit of what we call evaporational cooling going on too, and all of those factors will allow that rain to change over to some wet snow. Storm scan 3 for us currently. Much of the precipitation well out to our west. We're still seeing, again, some plain rain now down across Virginia, moving into southern Maryland as well. Let's give you a more zoomed in view. Harrisburg seeing maybe some flurries, maybe even a little bit of rain mixing in with that as well. So right along 78 is where we're starting to see most of the precipitation move in. It's kind of south of 80 at this point. York probably getting in a little bit of light wet snow too, but you're also seeing a bit of a notch there. That is some dry air across DC and areas like Baltimore that's kind of eating away at some of this early round precipitation. But what also we're seeing here is as that rain moves northward, it's going to saturate all of that air, and as it evaporates within the atmosphere, it also cools all those temperatures. So that's what I was talking about with evaporational cooling and saturating the atmosphere. We'll see the rain at first, and then it will be changing over, most likely to snow. We take you to 3 o'clock here. Temperatures along I-95 still in the 40s, even across the Berks County and the Lehigh Valley. Still looking at some 40s there too. The same for South Jersey. So again, here's all that light rain. Most of it at this point probably still out to our west, but by 5 o'clock it's starting to creep into the Philadelphia area, the I-95 corridor, getting in on some of that precipitation. Also South Jersey as well. We're starting to see maybe a changeover up there in the Lehigh Valley by 5, 6 o'clock. It's again creeping closer and closer. I think at this point by 6 p.m. we're really looking at a mix of rain and snow. 37 degrees in the city. So while we're again not quite to the freezing mark, you can still get snow with temperatures above 32. 7 o'clock. The rain snow line pushes well past Philly at that point, and then it takes over basically all of South Jersey as we head into the evening and some of the early overnight hours. We could actually get a couple of maybe decent convective bands to set up across South Jersey as well, and that could up our snowfall rates at least for a few hours, and that could maybe lead to some higher amounts. Also some slushy accumulations even on the roadways, even if most of this is going to be accumulating on grassy surfaces. Then tomorrow we'll wake up to quiet conditions in the morning. Strong northwesterly winds on Wednesday afternoon bring in maybe a couple of stray snow showers here or there. Accumulations, like I said, generally falling on the grassy surfaces where you see this light blue shading, including Philly and especially South Jersey. Probably generally about 1 to 2 inches. A few localized spots could get as much as 3 inches, though much of the rest of the area, it's a slushy coating to 1 inch. We do have that winter weather advisory in place everywhere that you see shaded in purple from 5 o'clock this afternoon until midnight tonight. Difficult travel is what we'll be expecting anywhere that is shaded in that purple. 44 degrees for our afternoon high. We're sitting just about that high right now with our temperatures, so we probably won't get too much warmer than this through the afternoon. 40 then tomorrow, even some 30s, cold sunshine there Thursday, but then it's another big change for us Friday and into the weekend. 65 Saturday afternoon, guys. That's only 1 degree off of the record high for Saturday.
Wow. I mean, talk about up and down. That is incredible.
Roller coaster.
Yeah, for sure.
Parkas and shorts. Thank you, Matthew.